What happens if a car accident makes an existing medical condition worse? You may still have a personal injury claim if the crash made the condition worse or caused a dormant condition to become active. The at-fault driver is not responsible for every problem you already had, but they can be responsible for the additional harm caused by the collision. The key is proof. Medical records should show what your health was like before the crash, what changed afterward, and how those changes affected your daily life or work. Helpful evidence can include emergency room records, routine doctor visits, follow-up care, medication changes, work restrictions, missed work records, crash photos, the police report, and a clear timeline of symptoms. Insurance companies often argue, this was already there, or you waited too long to get treatment. A delay in care does not automatically end the claim, but it can make causation harder to prove. That is why it matters to report symptoms clearly and follow your medical provider's instructions. In North Carolina, fault also matters. The claim must show the other driver caused the crash, and contributory negligence can create serious problems if the injured person is found partly at fault. Also, many injury claims have a 3-year filing deadline, and talking with insurance does not automatically extend that time. So the short answer is yes, a worsened existing condition can be part of a car accident claim. But the claim needs strong medical proof, a clear before and after comparison, and evidence showing the crash caused the worsening.